the 2012 Buick Enclave. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, power front seats, automatic temperature control, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power liftgate, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.